In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Quip account. We'll walk through the sign-up process from start to finish so you can get into Quip quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and going to quip.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. You should see the Quip homepage with clear options to begin. On the homepage, click the button labeled Get Started, or you may see Sign In, Get Started depending on the layout. Both will take you into the account flow. If you're taken to a sign-in page, look for the option to create a new account so you can proceed with sign-up. Next, you may be asked to choose the type of account you want. If you're using Quip on your own, select a personal account. If your company or school uses Quip, choose the option to create or join a team site. A team site connects you to shared documents and permissions, and in many organizations, it's managed by an administrator. If you're not sure which is right, think about whether you'll be collaborating under a work domain or just exploring Quip for yourself. Now, fill in the required details. Typically, that includes your email address, your name, and a password. Use an email you can access immediately, since you may need to confirm it, and choose a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. In some cases, Quip will offer single sign-on through your organization. If you see that option and your company uses it, select it to sign up without creating a separate password for Quip. After submitting your information, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Quip. Open the message and click the confirmation link to verify your account. If it's not there after a minute, refresh your inbox and check your spam or promotions folders. If you still don't see it, return to the sign-up page and look for a resend link. When you click the confirmation link, allow it to open in the same browser where you began the sign-up so the verification completes smoothly. Once your email is confirmed, you can log into Quip. Head back to quip.com, choose Sign In, and enter the email and password you just created, or use the single sign-on button if that's how you registered. That's it. Your Quip account is ready. From here, you can explore the workspace, create a document, and start collaborating whenever you're ready.